Good morning, everyone. I am Kirandeep Kaur from BSc Home Science, Semester 6. Today, I am going to discuss on the topic iron deficiency anemia. Iron deficiency anemia. Anemia. An means without and emia means blood. A condition in which the blood doesn't have enough healthy red blood cells or dysfunctional red blood cells in the body. Anemia is often labeled as the silent killer or worse, the national disease of India. So this is the diagram of anemia. इस डायग्राम में टू स्लाइड्स हैं. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे नॉर्मल सेल्स हैं और राइट हैंड साइड पे अनीमिक सेल हैं. जो अनीमिक सेल हैं उसमें नंबर ऑफ रेड ब्लड सेल्स डिक्रीज हो जाते हैं और डिसफंक्शनल रेड ब्लड सेल्स होते हैं जिससे अनीमिया हो जाता है. How anemia occurs? When you have a decreased level of hemoglobin in your red blood cells, and when red blood cells can't handle the stress of traveling through your body, they may burst or sickle cell causing anemia. इस डायग्राम में नॉर्मल सेल और सिकल सेल दिखाया गया है. जो नॉर्मल सेल है उसमें नॉर्मल हीमोग्लोबिन है और जो सिकल सेल है उसमें एबनॉर्मल हीमोग्लोबिन है. जो एबनॉर्मल हीमोग्लोबिन है वो रेड ब्लड सेल्स को सिकल और डिसफंक्शनल बना देता है, जो ब्लॉकेज करते हैं और बॉडी में प्रॉपर ऑक्सीजन और ब्लड सप्लाई नहीं हो पाता. So in the previous slide we were discussing about hemoglobin. So what is hemoglobin? A protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen from the lungs to all parts of the body, and myoglobin, a protein that provides oxygen to muscles. People who are at the risk: pregnant women, infants, adolescent, and old age. Anemia in pregnant women. It's normal to have mild anemia when you are pregnant, but more severe anemia can increase the risk of serious complications like preterm delivery, and during pregnancy, you need double the amount of iron. You need iron to supply oxygen to the baby. How does anemia during pregnancy affect the baby? It increases the risk of premature birth, having a low birth weight baby, postpartum depression, and in some cases, infant death immediately before or after birth. How can anemia during pregnancy be prevented and treated? Prenatal vitamins typically contain iron, and good nutrition can help. Start taking iron supplement or folic acid supplement recommended by your doctor. Anemia in infants. What causes anemia in infants? Baby's body does not produce enough red blood cells, baby is born premature, or baby blood group does not match with parents. What are the symptoms of anemia in infants? Having pale skin, feeling sluggish means having low energy, poor feeding or getting tired while feeding, and having a fast heart rate or rapid breathing when resting. What treatments are used for anemia in infants? Blood transfusion in severe case to increase the red blood cells, and medicine to help their bodies make more red blood cells. And all babies with anemia will have their feeding checked. Right diet will help your baby make red blood cells. Anemia in adolescent. It's a rapid growth period where visible changes are rapid in the terms of physical, mental, intellectual, emotional, psychological, and behavior. And during such rapid changes, they are more prone to anemia. Risk of anemia are for both boys and girls. But anemia is more in teen girls because their bodies are not able to store much iron, and excessive and prolonged menstruational flow can also cause anemia. Requirements of iron as well as its losses from the body are high in girls. Prevention and control of anemia in adolescents. Adolescents need to eat a balanced diet, a diet which provides all nutrients from the food like milk, locally available fruits, green vegetables, pulses, chapati, rice, and adding food that are rich in iron. Anemia in old age. However, HP level decline with age and production of red blood cells is also not proper, which cause anemia. The body is weak and the functions of some organs are also not proper at old age. Anemia in old age associated with cardiovascular disease, infections, decreased physical performance and quality of life. Body is unable to absorb iron from the food due to age effects. How can anemia in old age prevented and treated? Supplementations of iron by doctors can help. Eat a nutritive and iron-rich diet, and blood transfusion in rare cases. Causes of anemia: poor diet, lack of iron in diet, genetic factor, insufficient iron absorption by body. Internal bleeding, intestinal disorders, chronic diseases, and infections. So we have discussed the various symptoms of anemia in different vulnerable groups. So let's we discuss some general symptoms of anemia. So इस डायग्राम में जो सिम्टम्स रेड कलर में हाईलाइट किए गए हैं वो सीवियर अनीमिया में होते हैं. So anemia can cause yellowing of eyes, paleness, coldness, yellowing of skin, shortness of breath, muscular weakness, change stool color, fatigue, dizziness, fainting, low blood pressure, palpitations, rapid heart rate, chest pain, angina, heart attack, and spleen enlargement. Anemia can cause chalonchias known as spoon nails, pallor, yellowish color of hands, palpitations, up and down of heartbeat, soreness or burning of tongue, cracking and fizzling at the corner of mouth, softening of epithelium. What is iron? It is a mineral that the body needs for growth and development. It's an essential element for blood production. Iron is essential because without iron, red blood cells can't carry oxygen to body. About 70% body's iron is found in red blood cells. Sources of iron: animal sources, egg, milk, beef, fish, and chicken. Vegetable sources: amaranth leaves, mustard leaves, turnip green, spinach, carrot leaves, lotus stem. Pulses: Bengal gram, black gram, horse gram, soya bean, mood bean, sprouted pulses. Nuts: almond, pistachio nut, cashew nut, sesame seed, dry dates, dry apricots. Fruits: watermelon, apple, mango, and falsa. Other foodstuffs include mango powder, asafoetida, that's hing, turmeric, jaggery. Vitamin C helps in absorption of iron, like oranges, lemon, Indian gooseberry, amla, apple, pear are rich in vitamin C. So these are the sources of iron which help in prevention and control of anemia. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Kiran. That was very knowledgeable. There are a few questions in the chat box. Let me ask you. So first question from Mandeep is cheese high in iron? Can you hear me, Kiran?
Yes.
First question from Mandeep is cheese high in iron?
Yes, cheese we can say like dairy products जैसे होते हैं cheese, milk, yogurt, ये सारे जो होते हैं उनमें low iron content होता है. So these are not high in iron.
Riya wants to ask, what blocks the absorption of iron?
जैसे कि हम कैल्शियम लेते हैं ज्यादा अगर और डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स लेंगे, कैफिनेटेड बेवरेजेस भी नहीं लेनी चाहिए और जो ग्लूटेन रिच फूड्स होते हैं उनको भी अवॉइड करना चाहिए. ये सारी चीजें आयरन अब्जॉर्प्शन को ब्लॉकेज करती हैं.
Jasmeet wants to ask, what fruits are rich in iron?
फ्रूट्स हम ले सकते हैं वाटरमेलन, एप्पल, मैंगो, फालसा, पोमेग्रेनेट भी ले सकते हैं और हम ब्लैक करंट और मलबेरीज को भी ऐड कर सकते हैं.
Okay. Itika Sharma wants to ask symptoms of iron deficiency.
सिम्टम्स होते हैं कि जैसे टायर्डनेस होती है, शॉर्टनेस ऑफ ब्रेथ होता है, एंड डैमेज हेयर एंड स्किन हो जाता है और लॉस ऑफ ब्रेथ होती है. ये सारे सिम्टम्स होते हैं.
Next question from Manmeet. How vitamin C helps in iron absorption?
जो विटामिन सी है वो हम जब लेते हैं तो वो जैसे कि सिट्रिक फ्रूट्स होते हैं, जैसे मैंने पीपीटी में प्रेजेंटेशन में बताया कि ऑरेंज, मैंगो जैसे हम लेते हैं तो वो सारे सिट्रिक फ्रूट जो है वो आयरन अब्जॉर्प्शन में बहुत हेल्प करते हैं.
She wants to ask, what is iron?
आयरन as I already told कि जो एसेंशियल एलिमेंट होता है ब्लड प्रोडक्शन के लिए और जो रेड ब्लड सेल्स को हेल्दी बना देता है, जो डिसफंक्शन रेड ब्लड सेल्स होते हैं उसको ठीक करने में आयरन हेल्प करता है. मतलब आयरन जब हम लेते हैं तो वो अनीमिया को प्रिवेंट और कंट्रोल करने में हेल्प करता है.
Thank you, Kiran, for explaining them all. Now, I would request Madam Swati Gupta, Senior Dietitian, Srimati Parvati Hospital, to say a few words. Ma'am, are you there?
Hello, everyone. Yeah, I'm there. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Am
Hello,
I
ma'am.
audible?
Yes,
Hello.
you are audible.
Okay. Thank you, Ashima, for such a nice introduction. I want to thank Mina ma'am for such a wonderful session, for conducting such a wonderful sessions. They are really impressive. And then I want to thank you, Kirandeep. You were really amazing. Information was too much. Okay. I just want to add some. Hello. Hello.
Yes, we can hear you, Swati.
Okay. I just want to add some do's and don'ts. Kirandeep has already told us about that caffeine intake and about vitamin C rich foods along with iron foods, where there are some food and drug interactions also. You can't take iron rich supplements with the calcium rich supplements. You have to take care of that also. And very important, avoid rich bran with the iron rich foods. It will hinder the absorption of iron. Okay. And one more thing, don't consume milk and milk products with iron rich foods. One is food and food interaction and another one is food and drug interaction. So please take care of that. Thank you.
Such good tips we've got from Swati, madam. Thank you, Swati, for adding all these tips. The children
Thank you,
need to
ma'am.
know the practical aspects also. So they usually forget about the practical side of the nutrient and how it gets
Yes.
absorbed and the bioavailability of the nutrient.
Yes, that's true.
So it is always better to get in touch with the people who are actually working in this affair and getting the tips from them. Thank you very much for having for joining us every time.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
I see Madam Rupi also. Madam
Yeah.
Rupi is here too. Ma'am, would you like to ask, say something?
No, actually it was clear enough, and Swati has added on to it, but very good, very nice. And this is a very simple thing. Usually we tend to forget, we go after so many big things, but end of the day, we should keep track of our blood and anemia. Probably that is start of many problems.
Very true, ma'am. Very true. We need to take care of the anemia first and foremost. I would like to add a point over here that we talk a lot about iron. We need to take more protein also. Because hemoglobin is not just iron and protein. Both hemoglobin is a combination of iron, heme and protein, which is globin. So if we are low in protein, even then the hemoglobin will not be formed. And most of the Indians are, or 80% of the Indians are protein deficit. So we do need to take care of the protein aspect also of the diet.
Yeah, Minna. And of course, some vitamins and some copper and B12, these all add up for your, anemia part. So not just the iron, if it is iron deficiency, yes. Otherwise, all other aspects, as you truly said, protein plays a big, major role in it.
Protein plays a major role, and we tend to forget about the protein always, because Indian diet is basically a vegetarian diet, and we do not consume much of protein in our diet. So if you take into consideration the protein aspect, the protein in our diet is hardly 30 grams, or maximum if we do it, it is 40. Maximum, if we can take it, it is like 40 grams. So it is the protein also which is causing a lot of problems.
Yeah, Minna. True, Minna. And of course, whenever there is a anemia patient, so end of the day, they would end up saying anar ka juice pee lein, chukandar ka juice pee lein. But we have to, guide people. That's not, just for hemoglobin. You have to add again proteins and other things. And anar ke juice se khali aapka hemoglobin nahi badega, na hi khali सेब खाने से. So we as dietitian fraternity have to guide people. And I have seen people going for big tests in hospital, but sometimes you find the HP is too low and nobody takes care of that. Nobody's, concerned about a simple thing as hemoglobin, which may, stop you from many diseases.
Yes, very true. Very true. Swati, would you like to add something over here?
No, ma'am. Rupi ma'am has just said right, and you also. It's true, proteins को हर कोई भूल जाता है. अभी नॉन वेज अगर हम किसी से पूछे कि आर यू नॉन वेजिटेरियन, तो वो बोलेंगे यस 15 दिन में एक बार ले लेते हैं. So that is not a definition of non-vegetarian.
Exactly. We need to take some good source of good bioavailable source of protein, and that is egg white.
Yes,
which
true.
We should include in our diet, but most of the Indians are vegetarian, and those who are eating non-vegetarian food also are not eating it every day.
Yes.
So we need to add some good sources or good bioavailable sources of protein in our diet.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, true.
That's true.
True.
Amisha, you can continue now.
Thank you, ma'am, for providing more clarity on the topic. Also, we are terribly sorry for shifting the platform at the end moment due to some technical glitch. If the same problem persists tomorrow, we will be having the session on this link only. Once again, I would like to thank Madam Principal, Madam Sunila Sharma, and Madam Minna Baga for giving us this opportunity. Thank you all for attending. So now I will take your leave, hoping to see you
Yeah.
all in tomorrow's